So this is it. We're going now to the venue. Yan, mapaagang punta namin doon. Dumating kami dito as 5 p.m. So mag-picture-picture muna kami. Let's check the place.
Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay.
Good morning mga kasari, mga katita. This is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Andito po ako ngayon sa San Remigio Beach Club dahil nga ay naimbitahan kami ng aking old employer to celebrate with them the 25th anniversary. Today is December 9, 10 a.m. Papunta na kami sa venue. Hindi pa pala. Dadaan muna kami sa kay husband's place, kina mother-in-law. Kasi doon kami mananghalian. Actually, nagpunta ako dito sa Cebu dahil ay naimbitahan kami for 25 years anniversary ng dati kong trabahuan. Ang party kasi mag-umpisa mamayang hapon, 6 p.m. So, dito muna kami dadaan kina mother-in-law dahil ay dito kami magla-lunch. Kasi nakakahiya din naman kung nauna kami doon sa venue. Andito sila sa malayo from the city kasi ano na din nila, ang tawag nito, sabay ang team building at saka Christmas party. So, sana'y makaabot kami before 12 doon kina husband para makapagpahinga pa kami, magbihis. Travel time pala namin from the city sa pier to kay husband's place na Daan Bantayan. Pinaka north sa Cebu is 4 hours. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So more or less 12 noon. Andito na kami. Kung nagbabas pa kami, malamang magwa 1 siguro or 2. So buti na lang sinundo kami ng aking kasamaan. Tatlo kami na parang mga old employees. Silang dalawa talaga as retired. Early retirement. Yung isa is, siya na yung talagang totoong retired. Yung isa is early retirement. Tas ako, 10 years. So, malapit na kami sa Daan Bantayan. Daan Bantayan, here we come. From Daan Bantayan pala to the venue is 30 minutes na lang. So this is it. We're going now to the venue. Yan, mapaagang punta namin doon. Dumating kami dito as 5 p.m. So mag-picture-picture muna kami. Let's check the place. Hi. Akang kuan scripton. Okay, your destination on the left.
Turn on.
Nakabalo nag-surprise na ng mga ukok din. Ang VP Finance lang ang nakakaalam ng darating kami. Siya lang nag-invite. Sabi niya i-surprise daw. So, everybody, walang kaalam-alam. So, kami dito, patago-tago kami habang nagpipicture. Kasi nga, ang liwanag pa. Tapos, saka na namin hinahanap yung function hall. Tapos yung isa doon natawag sa amin, Manang Larry, Ate Glo, Ate Bev, ganyan. Napunay ngala ng basa? Hanapin pa namin yung function hall. Pumasok kami sa isang room ng mga sales. Tapos nagsigawan sila lahat habang nagbibihis sila doon. So ngayon ay palabas na kami papunta ng new function hall. 6:20 p.m. na. So papunta na kami sa venue. Habang nakita to namin itong malaking liwanag na tong star. Nagpicture-picture kami at nagsilabasan na yung iba. Kaya nagsisigawan na naman. Hi, Mambebs kasi ako. Manang Larry, Ate Glo. Ayun. So, ayan, nakisali-sali na sa picture namin. Sabi namin, surprise As talagang na-surprise sila, natutuwa kami at natutuwa kami lahat. And then, hi, Mr. Mon, nice to meet you.
Ma'am, babes, kano sa among...
Gato, toy, ako lang yapon.
Babes, kano sa among...
Gato, toy, ako lang yapon.
Ano si Poy?
Ah, okay. Hello. Barla, oh. Oh. Wow, they're so beautiful. Papalabasin na sila para sa grand entrance. So habang nakapila-pila na sila dyan para tawagin yung kanilang department, bilang tinawag kami ni ma'am, sabi nila, sumabay kayo, pumasok kayo sa department ninyo. Ayun, parang walang nangyayari. Pumila din kami sa aming ka-department.
Good evening.
Morning.
Wow. Before anything else, I would like to welcome, of course, our guest. May mga guest tayo ngayon. Gloria, Beverly, Sinan Larry. Here are also the pillars of Clinton. Gloria, Beverly, Sinan Larry. Here are also the pillars of Clinton. I would like to ask everybody to applaud. We are looking for the next 25 years. More, laking pasalamat sa Panginoon for gathering us, making us one, at nagiging solid tayo. So, I would like to propose a toast para sa natin for the next 25 years. May we have more blessings to come, prosperous Clinton, unlimited na pangarap. Cheers!
Cheers!
Buwan kanina.
Ah, gwapa kay manang da. Una na sila diyan sa picture.
Appreciation and food basket.
Wow.
Our first 5-year awardee is Antoliano Marvin James. So Marvin is currently a sales coordinator. At first, she started as a secretary from the Astronaut team. Meredith. One of our purchasers, Andy Baker, and one person SAP professor.
Happy birthday! Day to you! Happy birthday to you!
Our first awardee is Palino Jessie.
Babag sa inyo, bagas na magagulong.
First time. So, sa ngayon, balik na yan. So, since 25 years natin, she will be getting 25,000 in cash. Sales, invoice sales.
natural. Kanina daw.
for 17 years. Isa na lang siya si Moises Adelpa. I'd also like to congratulate Arlene for the 100 million. And also sa Green for so I would like to thank our photographers.
So, party. Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching. This is Tita Barla. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe Tita Barla. And see you on part 3. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night.